In the intricate tapestry of organizational cultures, a prevalent tendency overshadows the true goal of product excellence, an unwavering commitment to rigid processes. This segment, The Need for Change, delves into how these traditional cultures impede innovation and undermine customer satisfaction. At their heart, many organizations fall victim to prioritizing the means over the ends, sidelining product quality and consumer needs. It's a mindset fixated on procedures rather than outcomes, which stifles growth and adaptability. This results in innovation being throttled by inflexible practices and products failing to meet evolving customer expectations. By identifying these challenges, we aim not to criticize, but to awaken a realization of the limitations imposed by such cultures. As we venture into the next segment, bear in mind that overcoming the process-centric approach is crucial for fostering innovation and enhancing customer satisfaction. At the core of every thriving organization is a dynamic, product-centric culture that places customer satisfaction and product development at the forefront. Adopting such a culture begins with a transformation in values and practices, ensuring decisions and innovations are driven by the product's value and market impact. The transition to a product-centric mindset entails awareness and the empowerment of teams to innovate, with leadership guiding this shift and promoting an environment where learning from failures is valued. Overcoming resistance involves illuminating the value of change through clear communication and the celebration of progress, however minor. This segment explores the nuances of cultivating a product-centric culture, emphasizing that the journey itself enriches the organization just as much as the destination. Through this transformation, organizations can achieve remarkable customer satisfaction, foster innovation, and enjoy sustainable growth. The culmination of our journey towards organizational excellence showcases the undeniable benefits of embracing a product-centric culture. Transformed organizations enjoy increased customer satisfaction, turning consumers into brand advocates and achieving groundbreaking growth and innovation. These changes are not superficial. They are evidenced by enthusiastic testimonials from leaders who have witnessed the transformation firsthand. Their stories highlight not only financial success, but also enhanced team satisfaction and product resilience. Reaping the benefits encapsulates these achievements, affirming that adopting a product-centric perspective is not the end, but rather an ongoing commitment to excellence. It's a continuous journey that reshapes our approach to work and the remarkable outcomes we can achieve.